Hello, guys. What the heck is that thing? It's a bat. Oh! Are you okay? I'll turn off the spotlight. See. Ah, you stupid! Come here. I gotta put you back in her cage before the dog eats you. Hold on, let me put you guys down. No camera. So he's kind of freaked out by the camera. I got used to a bird. If any of you have a bird as a pet, a parakeet, please comment in the comment section. And if you have any questions about what's coming up next week, please comment, like my roller coaster stuff, or what type of bird he is. He's not a parakeet. He looks like one. Like what type of bird he is. Any questions about the video, please put it in the comment section. I'm going to start something called Mega Egg 45's Mega Questions. So make sure you guys leave a question. And subscribe. Yes, subscribe. Always subscribe. And hope you liked the video. Please subscribe. Hey, Beaks. Do you think they should subscribe and leave a question for Mega Questions? Bonjour, stupid!